from Fluidart with Macrame Elegance. Welcome to my channel. Well, I had so much fun yesterday doing the two blooms that were blue that I wanted to do another one and add a few more colors. So let me tell you what we have. This is by Amsterdam, we have Prussian Blue, Pebeo, we have Green Blue. This is Brilliant Green by Amsterdam. And we have Phthalo Turquoise. I think that's by Golden or Amsterdam. I'm not sure. One of the two. I will have that all down in the subscription box. The description below the video. Okay, so let's take those off. This is a 12 by 24. I'm gonna do two blooms, and they will be off center. I'm going to use black oxide Cellactivator using Australian Floral. All right, let's get going. Now, I'm going to use Pillow Paint PPG Multi Pro. And I kind of heard a rumor that, and I had a hard time getting it at my Home Depot here in Napa. I went to Vallejo and they had it, but I'm not sure if we'll still be able to get it much longer. I'll go back probably to Glidden's, which I used to use. Let's kind of go like make a frame. All right, spread that out just a little bit. Seems a little thick. There, got rid of some of the bubbles. Clips are in place. Let's see if it's looks like it's center. Okay, I'm gonna start with my first bloom right here. I think that's good. So let's do it again. That one didn't work out. And I'm taking out the Pebeo Green Blue. Or blue green, what was it? So we're gonna start with the Prussian Blue. Could do a large amount. And next is the Phthalo Turquoise by Golden. And Amsterdam's Brilliant Green. All right, and with our black Cellactivator, let's hope this one goes better. It's much better than the last one. It was just not moving moving slowly. It was not moving easily. Here we go. Scoot it down that way. Like a half a bloom. Half of a large bloom. A little bit more. That's pretty. I got white dots that I'll have to take care of, but I like that in the long ways like that. What do you think? It's not the two bloom, but this is gorgeous here. I really like it. This way, or both ways are pretty. Okay, my friends, here is another one. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying these. I like that. For the white dots, I'm gonna, so you don't have to watch it, I'm just gonna dab at those, and then I'm gonna give you a close-up. And I'll see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.